then yes, you might know me. Okay, so if you know me, you know my name already. So my name's Leon, and I'm 35 years old. So obviously this is a new platform for me, so this will be my first video. It's nothing interested in this video, to be honest. It's just me introducing myself to you, what I do, and what this platform is gonna give you. So I'm into building camper vans. I'm in one of my builds now, as you can see. It's like 70% done, just waiting for a bed and a kitchen. Got 2 beds here, shower, toilet here. And the reason I'm starting this platform, peeps, obviously, you know, I had a channel before. I keep getting demonetized from like 2 to 3 years old videos. Obviously the music producers are claiming back their music, and then I get demonetized, and they're doing it every month. So like the 7th time I've been demonetized, and most of the followers on that page were drone followers, so it wasn't like a mixture of followers. You know, I had a few van life, a few this, a few that, if you know what I mean, but most of them were drone followers. So I decided to knock it on the head. I won't close down the channel because there is some content there what might help others. So yeah, I'm going to knock it on the head and start Empire One Life. Obviously I need an empire to create a YouTube channel, right? So I can't do this without you, and you only get one life. So yeah, I thought Empire One Life, because trust me, I looked at so many names, and every single name someone's took it, and I don't want to copy someone's name, so I want something different, you know what I mean? You have to be different, you can't just copy someone's name. So yeah, anyway peeps, so this is just like a quick little introduction, my first video for you. I know it's nothing excited to get, you know, a stiffy over, but that is it. There will be some great content, but let me just give you a little look around the van. It's not complete, but I can give you a little look around. Obviously I've got junk everywhere at the moment, but I'll give you a little look around for my first little intro video. Okay, so as you can see, the carpet's so dirty, but don't worry about the carpets, peeps, and the log burner is not going to be on the carpet. It will be raised. It's tested, works great. Yeah, I'm going to rip up the carpet. This is all done on a budget, if you know what I mean. So all this carpet, the reason I put carpet in as well was it was much lighter than my laminated floor. But yeah, so this is the kids' bed area. My Alpha Cooler fridge, highly recommend. That's another bed area. Obviously it's got a lot of mattresses and blankets and stuff in here. Toilet and shower, DIY. With a DIY base with normal paint. Oh, I can't remember what paint that is now. It's like for roofs. It's like a tarmac paint. Trust me, proper waterproof, and that's on MDF. Toilet, still got to take off all the silicone because I had to melt those in. Still got to do the shower area. I've got loads of bits and bobs to do. Still got to do all trimming on the cupboards. Still got to do some more electrics. As you can see, all wires are still going, but it's getting there. As you can see there, had to put the seats in for the kids. Obviously, as I said, this sleeps 5 people. Diesel heater. TV can go back. Had you on that little mount there. Pretty cool. Yeah. So the kitchen will go here. I'm just trying to like work it out if I'm going to have it hanging off the step, because I need to move the wood burner off the step, so it's going to be closer here. So I need to put another metal shield here, and just things like that. Got CCTV. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of good little bits of gadgets and that up here. Still got to do a bit more wiring up here. Nice VW light. Nice fan. What? Not been connected yet. Forgot to connect that. Still got to do the carpet here. Loads of little bits and bobs, peeps. But the thing is, when I get the main stuff in this van, I can, you know, do the little bits and bobs while we actually go camping in the van, if you know what I mean. But yeah, most of it's done. It's getting there. So yeah, it's like a garage at the moment. It's got bikes and my wood and tools everywhere. But yeah, I need to rip up this carpet, but I don't think I'm going to do it all the way. But over here, because you get out from the shower area, it gets a bit wet there. So I need to put like some kind of mat vat, you know, what collects water when you're getting dried there. So I've got a duck board inside there to get dried. Sometimes it's awkward. It's quite a big shower, it's quite big, you know what I mean? It's just pretty awkward, you just want to get out of there, if you know what I mean. Yeah, peeps, so that is my quick little video for Empire One Life. Obviously it's not just for camper vans, it's going to be about loads of different items, you know, gadgets, drones, you name it, anything and everything this channel is going to be about. Even plant growing, you know, grow your own veg on your windows, yeah. Anything and anything, what I can think of, to be honest. So yeah, peeps, hopefully you like, subscribe, and stay safe. Peace.
I'm not fucking leaving! The show goes on! This is my home! They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here!